For prompt one, the first thing I would do is grab my laptop, sit next to the student, and go directly to the problem that they're experiencing. That way, I'm not just in their shoes, not just as a TA, but we can also work together as a team. Next, I would have us research through the school platforms like Zybooks and other coding sites to look for the concept of the problem, like the command or um, an item that could solve the problem. After gathering our potential solutions, I would have both of us, but more so the student, testing those solutions, along with asking them questions to help them comprehend, understand the work that they're doing, and work through the problem on their own. It really depends on how the student learns, and however they need me to help, I can adapt to that. For prompt two, I would ask the student why they feel they wouldn't contribute meaningfully and want to work alone, seeing if they actually understand what's going on. I would also tell them about my own experience in dealing with the same problem in order to relate and understand exactly where they're coming from. After listening and communicating with the student, I would try to talk to them about what they think they're good at when it comes to making progress and doing work. I then would communicate that to the instructor and manager what the student is struggling with and tell them about the student's strengths. That way, we can create a plan to help the student utilize their strengths in working in a group. And for prompt three, first, we would need to check if a value is even in an array. Now, if so, we are to just return where it appears. But if not, we're just to return -1. What we can do is use a linear search, meaning we can just check the element one by one in the array. And how can we do that? By using a for loop. Now, if that element at the index matches what we're looking for, we're to return that index. In this case, that would be I. For I in blank, return I if blank is in array. If not, we're just to return -1.